I want to show you how to download the TikTok video to make a iPhone ringtone. So basically all you have to, if you want any song, come up any song for example, all you have to do is press that little icon over here for share, and you will see the word save video, and you just save with me. I already saved couple video on my screen, so I just pick one of them. But before you do that, head to Apple Store, and then let me see, it should load it up, and download the ringtone maker from the App Store. Once that download, you can, there has couple, one of them that free. I already have one of them up, so I guess I should skip that. It take forever to load. So all you have to do is hit the ringtone maker. I already have one, so I went into here. Usually you have to skip out that app so you can get the ringtone. So you can get the new song that I have is import from video, and then you just click on, let's try this song that I have. You know, because it's free, so you have to go through the ad, but after that you close, and there's the new ringtone. So this song is called I Don't Want to Be Normal No More, so I'm going to rename that Normal No More. Once that's done, all you have to do is share. When you share, actually save to save file. You go to save file, and with me I save to Garageband, so I save over there, hit save, and then after that you go back to Garageband right there, and then you add the little plus icon for creating a new one. You want to be under audio recorder, hit on that one, and once that on, turn off that little triangle icon, hit it off, and then you go to that little bar set, and when it's in the loop, hit that loop, and then go into file. So over here I have normal no more, select that one, and then just hold it up and drag it. So you want to drag it over there, and that is the song. So you can try to play. Okay, and when you go back to my song, it's saved, and when you go, oh, it's supposed to be this one, I forgot to name. Let me name it. Let me rename it. Normal No More. Done. And once you're in there, you just press and hold on that one, and then you have to do share, and then you can choose song, ringtone, or project. In this case we are doing ringtone, so hit ringtone, and after that export. It should take it very fast, and then after that go back to the setting, and then you setting, you know, when you go into here, right, setting, you go song, and then down here ringtone, and then the song right here, normal no more. There you go. That's all you have to do, how to make ringtone. I mean, with this kit, it doesn't have to be TikTok. It can be any song that you download on a video. It can turn into a ringtone. That's it for today. I hope this will help you, and see you next time.